Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Subaru Outback head gaskets using an easy method. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a good quality torque wrench and a gasket scraper. Next, safely drain all engine fluids, specifically the coolant and engine oil. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues or accidental starts during the repair. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe start to your head gasket replacement. Now, let's move on to disassembling the engine. Begin by removing the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and all accessory belts. Next, carefully unbolt and remove the cylinder heads from the engine block. Take your time with this step. Once the heads are off, it is absolutely critical to meticulously clean all mating surfaces on both the block and the heads. This ensures a perfect seal for your new gaskets. With the surfaces clean, it's time to install the new head gaskets. Make sure they are oriented correctly on the engine block. Then, carefully place the cylinder heads back onto the block. This is a critical step. Always use new head bolts and follow the manufacturer's specific torque sequence and specifications. Tighten the bolts in several stages to achieve the correct clamping force, ensuring a reliable, leak-free seal. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Reinstall the intake and exhaust manifolds, accessory belts, and all other components you removed. Once everything is back in place, refill the engine with fresh coolant and new engine oil. It's crucial to properly bleed the cooling system to remove any trapped air. After that, start the engine, let it warm up, and carefully check for any leaks or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.